Hi, this is Joe Kempe again with the iPod Repair Clinic. We showed you previously how to disassemble an iPod 4th generation. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to reassemble it. You may want to change the LCD if you broke it. You may want to change, headphone jacks if there's something wrong with it. So this is the opportune time to do that. But everything is fully functional right now, so I'm going to go ahead and connect everything up. I have a little technique that I use to put it all together. Again, basically, I connect the LCD first, and you have to be very gentle with this, not to injure the LCD while you're putting it in. And what you're going to want to do is make sure the gate is open and slot in the connector. Slot in the connector and then close the gate. So I call it the tension bar. Okay, once that's in, it's locked down. Then I want you to bring the motherboard and the LCD at an angle, and it'll help you put in the click wheel cable over here at the bottom. And once you get that in, close the tension bar. Once you have the click wheel cable and the LCD in place, go ahead and put the LCD, it has little slots in it, make sure it's in place. You want to check to make sure that there's no dust particles that got in and it's fully assembled there. What you're going to do now is just put back the screws. You have 6 T6 screws, and I'm going to go ahead and start putting these in. And here we go. Use a magnetic screwdriver so you don't have to work so hard. And you have 6 of them, one of them being underneath the tape for the hard drive. And make sure when you're doing this, pull the hard drive cable out, open up the gate, pull a hard drive cable out, put it back in, lock it down again, because sometimes that becomes loosened and you will lose connectivity to the hard drive. And a lot of people think that their hard drive is bad, but it's not true, because it's basically a communication problem between the board and the hard drive. And there we go. Okay, the last screw. Okay, once we have that in, go ahead and, well, you can do it in different ways. Go ahead and put in the headphone jack. It has to go in a certain way. And push it in, be gentle. No tools, use your fingers. Then what you're going to do is put your battery in and I don't put it underneath the board because I know that in the future I'll be servicing it again. And go ahead and put in the IDE cable into that connector. And it has a little guide hole. You see a little oval hole, and you're going to put it in nice and gentle. Then tuck the cable in like that. What you're going to want to do is turn on the iPod, make sure it comes on. And once we're satisfied the iPod is working, we'll clip it closed. Takes a moment. I can hear it working. There we go. Everything's fully functional. Thank you again for joining me today, and I hope to see you on another episode of iPod Repair Clinic Repairs.